Do you see my Phantom wallet? Yeah, I made over $8.7 million all from deving meme coins on the Solana blockchain. And in this video, I'm gonna leak exactly the method from start to finish. Now, I used to trade meme coins every single day, but there's a reason to why I stopped. Because every single time I bought inside a meme coin, I basically got completely liquidated, and that's exactly why I switched to deving meme coins. Because by creating your own control coins, every single launch that you do. For example, if I launch this meme coin, all I would have to do is wait for buyers and then dump on them when the time is right. And just like that, bro, you can just repeat that process over and over again until your portfolio is satisfied. Now that's exactly why I am making this video, because I will show you guys exactly step by step, without gatekeeping, without selling any course, okay, how to launch your very first meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and then after that I will show you guys exactly how to cash out. So keep watching, bro, you do not want to miss this video. And by the way, this entire video is for educational purposes only. Please do not copy me, it's all fake. Now right here, okay, I did make a quick example on what deving meme coins and trading meme coins is. Now the reason why you have to be deving meme coins is because there is no initial risk, you control the chart, you don't need a big portfolio, and the more launches you do, the more chances of you making some money. And obviously, bro, you will be making some money from the Pump.fun creator fees and from your supply. Right here, I have 3 of my dev wallets, which I made in the past month. I had to launch around 1,200 coins to make all of this, and that's just the beginning. Now, trading meme coins is the complete opposite. You risk of losing all your money at any moment to the dev. If the volume is low on Pump.fun, well, it will be harder to make some money. You don't know the true intentions of the dev, and there's way more risk trading meme coins than deving, and that's a fact. And obviously, bro, you need a bigger portfolio to start trading. That's why I dev meme coins. Now, a lot of people, when they want to make a meme coin, they go to Pump.fun, but let me tell you why Pump.fun is the worst option ever to launch meme coins. Well, first of all, your meme coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap for it to migrate to Raydium. So, if you want to skip the modeling curve and you want to gain attention instantly, bro, I would highly recommend to start launching your coins on the Raydium DEX, okay? Because here is where all the people will be looking to buy inside coins. Now, to launch meme coins to Raydium, bro, you want to be using fucking create meme.io, because this launchpad is completely different than Pump.fun, and it skips the bonding curve completely, which means all your meme coins will be launched directly to Raydium instantly, and it will be viewed to tens and thousands of people. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on create meme.io. There's 2 different ways to go about it, and honestly, bro, it's up to you to choose one. You can play around with both options, but yeah. Now the first option is to create a coin from complete scratch, which means your meme coin needs a narrative that is unique. Now go on X and look for any meme, okay, look for anything. I like to go for something viral, some type of meme, I don't know, bro, just find something. Once you have that narrative, come back to create meme.io, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is fucking live after these simple steps, right? Which you will be creating the fucking supply, description, all of that bullshit, right? But the second method is where fucking I made all my money, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Why? Because all these coins on this list are going viral and they're all gaining a bunch of attention on Pump.fun, which means if you copy a coin here, well, your copy is going to get a shit ton of buyers because there's already a good narrative and it's already proven to get a bunch of buyers. I love to copy coins. Now let's stop talking and let's launch a meme coin right now, bro, using this feature. Now first of all, bro, make sure your Phantom is connected to the website, right? Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy, bro. Honestly, bro, if I were you, I would look for anything like decent. I mean, it could be literally anything, just pick one and copy it. I'm gonna copy the, I don't know, the Wojak coin, right? Click on create coin. Then wait for a Phantom. Ignore the block, by the way. Okay, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Just give it some fucking time. boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step and this entire page is really important because we set our liquidity pool right here for Raydium. Now token A is where we set our supply. Click on 90%. I would highly recommend to drop 900 million tokens. For token B, okay, this is a step for the first buy, okay? It is where the chart becomes actually kickstarted, right? Now, by the way, bro, you're not losing any money here. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, okay? So you'll need to put 0.3 SOL for the first buy, but don't worry about it because once you remove the liquidity later, it will come back to you. So 0.3, click on create pool, then wait for your Phantom wallet, then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the World coin is live. Your PNL will show up right here. Now, if you click on the refresh button, you guys can see that we are up $135. Now here, okay, you can choose which trading platform that you want to view the coin on. I'm going to go on Photon. Then let me go in full screen, wait for the chart to load in, okay, because it will take a bit of time, okay, because it's delayed. As you guys can see, okay, we are live. We're already up like $150, okay, 1.5k market cap, and this is why I love deving, bro. Okay, we launched the coin and we are seeing results right here, okay, because we copied a coin that was already viral, so it's bound to get a bunch of fucking people to view the coin and potentially buy in, okay. And this is why I love deving meme coins. This coin costed us $0, bro, and now we're getting all these organic buyers. Bro, like, it's actually fucking insane. Like, yo, dude, like, oh my god, bro, just dude, I would highly recommend you for you guys to dev coins, whether it's on creatememe.io or on other websites. It's up to you, bro. Just dev meme coins instead of trading. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and now it's time to cash out for you guys and see how much we make officially. So come back to creatememe.io. After that, click on the refresh button. And now as you guys can see, we're up $1.8 thousand with a 2.2k liquidity. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove all, then just wait for Phantom Wallet to pop up. And now as you guys can see, boys, we are going to receive 12 Solana. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it, bro, from start to fucking finish. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys will see that I should, yes sir, I received the amount right in my wallet, bro. Now, yeah, bro, that's exactly how you do it. Okay, I made a coin, and then we made some money, bro. Then you can just rinse and repeat this method for educational purposes only. Anyways, bro, let me know how much you make in my Discord, in my Telegram, okay? DM me there, network with my community, and yeah, bro, good luck.